Hello, Bessies. A tiny haul. I went to Dollar Tree and Marshall's. For Marshall's, I got this. It's supposed to be oil and vinegar, but I'm going to use it for olive oil and my regular cooking oil. I haven't been in there in so long, and I feel like I had to get it. $5.99, can't beat that. And this was in the clearance. It was rose water toner. It was on clearance for $5. Everything else is from the Dollar Tree. Got Q-tips, cotton round, sponges, not sponges, what is it, spoons. I picked up a dual-ended face applicator. I bought this for a specific reason. Post-it notes, because I'm all out. A skinny liner brush. This is going to be used for something else, not for makeup. This was a 2-pack for $1.25. You can't beat that. Wet n Wild. It's a 2-pack precision duo. It has a bent, what is that? It's a bent brush. It's behind the other one, and the eyeliner. It's all for doing your eyebrows. So I picked that up because I need to get my eyebrows together. Being bald-headed and having crazy eyebrows is not cute. And I picked up 3 of these shower headbands for me and the girls. I picked up the towel scrunchies. I think these are the little things you put on your wrists for the water. You know, $1.25. Woohoo! And I picked up this acne wash, oil-free, solid. I don't know how to say that word. Acid acne treatment. This is for all of us because our skin just needs some love. Needs good love. Trays. I picked up 4 of my Dr. Pepper Slim Jim stick things and 2 of these Good and Clean disinfectant wipes because we need more wipes. And I believe that's everything. Yep, that is all for what I got. Husband picked up a pair of pants for Judah from Marshall's. And now I have to take them back because they were the wrong size. Yeah, but that's it. Let's put it away.
Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. Your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pen down in a melody. and anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time, I think you mean a buyout, 'cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, 'cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology. Just say it to my face. You're sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. Say it to my face, you're sorry. And I quit my job for you, even quit some friends for you, 'cause you couldn't stand it, me all independent, so you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you, when I could add up 2 and 2.
Alright, besties, I'm all done. This is going to be part 1 because there's a piece that I'm waiting for that's going to go right there, right here. That's why this is just here, because I'm waiting on something to come that I'm going to put there, and hopefully it will do what I wanted to do there. Next thing also too is tomorrow I have to work on this space. Okay, this is where my desk is going to go, but I'm gonna kind of make a desk, just do a little makeshift thing. I gotta bring my shelf back up here. I mean, my drawers, and I'm gonna put 2 tables up here and bring my printer and stuff back up here and try to set up my office again. What I'm gonna do is temporarily set up my work office and then work on getting the rest of my stuff up here for the y'all know what I'm trying to say, right? So that's it. So I'm gonna turn y'all around and show you the rest of the room. Let me know down in the comments if you like it. Are you enjoying Vlogtober? Are you enjoying what I'm doing? If you're still enjoying Vlogtober and you want me to keep going, make sure you smash that like. Make sure you let your girl know that it's working and you're enjoying the videos.
When you promised we'd be together, you